Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about constant function from the topic some functions and their graphs from the chapter 2 relations and functions of class 11 maths. See, we have already discussed about identity function in our previous video which will be available in the playlist. We will be discussing all other functions in our coming videos. So, let us see what is a constant function. Suppose we define a function f from R to R. R is the real number set. We are defining this function by y equals f of x which is equal to c, where c is a constant and x belongs to the real number set. Such a function that is actually called as a constant function. That is, don't worry about this definition. In simple words, we can say that the function of the form f of x equals c, that is f of x is equal to some constant, is a constant function. So in simple words, we can say that the function of the form f of x equals c, where c is a constant, that is called as a constant function. That is, the function of the form f of x equals c, f of x is equal to c, is a constant function. That is, whatever value you put for x, you always get a constant value c as the range. Okay, that is, for example, let us consider a function f of x is equal to 3. So here you see, this number 3 is a constant. So if you put x as 0, you will get f of x as 3 because there is no x variable here. When you take x value as 2, you will get f of x 3 because there is no x value here on the right hand side. When x is equal to 4, you will have f of x 3. When x is equal to 6, you will have f of x 3, 8, 3, minus 2, 3. When x is equal to minus 4, you will have f of x as 3. When x is equal to minus 6, you will have f of x as 3. Okay, minus 8, 3. That is, whatever value you put for x, okay, x values are the domain, y values or f of x values are the range. So whatever values you put for x, you always get a constant number 3 here. Such a function is actually called as a constant function. Okay. Now, let us see how to represent a constant function graphically. For that, here I have just taken some axes, x-axis, x-axis, on which we have negative values. This is y-axis, that is f of x values, and y-axis. So here you see, our function is f of x equals 3. So when x equal to 0, we are having y value as 3. Y value 3 means, you see here we have 2, here we have y as 4. So 3 will be in between these two. So I am taking this point as 3. Okay, this point is 3. Now when x is equal to 2, we have y value 3. When x is equal to 4, we have 3, 6, 3, 8, 3. When x is equal to minus 2, we have f of x as 3. When x is equal to minus 4, we have f of x means y, 3. When x is equal to minus 6, we have f of x as 3. When x is equal to minus 8, we have f of x as 3. Okay, so we are getting so many points here. When we join all these points, you see, suppose we are joining all these points, we are actually getting a straight line here. Okay, and you see, this straight line graph, this is actually parallel to the x-axis. That is, for a constant function, the graph is a straight line parallel to the x-axis. So in this video, we have discussed about the constant function. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.